Shadow, it's not part of the walking. We are walking with Melanie. It's at the back of their house. We have a guard. This is where we walked long time ago. Everly needs some exercise. Everly, hi. Let's take a walk. Yes.
It's a little slippery through here, but once you get through here and it clears out, there's a nice view.
Yeah. Nice man dali sa luyo din ninyo ba day? This is my old crock. Still useful. Let's see if there's guava. Ting bayabas ron baday dili. Bayabas. Wala. Lapo kaayo. This is for animals pet. Wait sa ha. I'll check if there is guava. Ay, spider. There's like cow steps. Baday! Naibiyabas rin baday. They're too big. Not ripe. Hindi man hinog. Hello. Not ripe. We'll come back next time. Ari baday. Ay tagi. Beside ani baday? Kita ka? Oh, wait sa. Kuha daw. Hinog. Okay na. Not really soft. Ay, muha na day ay. Oh, can have Everly to hold.
If I throw it. Ball? That's guava. We see those actually in the stores in USA.
Yeah.
The biggest I've ever seen though is Thailand or Vietnam. They're like this.
Yeah, huge. It's like a
Well,
ball.
the path is this way, but
Oh, we will try see if there's more guava and then go back. Shadow. Melanie has the eye of a tiger. This one is bigger and ripe. Good job, Melanie. Aw. Can I have some?
are those soft?
The other one is ripe. Yeah, that one.
Wanna try to take a bite? This one's kind of soft. It's
Not
pretty
yet,
hard.
not yet. I'll find one more. Ngita pa today. Imuha na ka na. Imuha. That's for you. Man. Hindi pa hinog.
Hinog na ay.
Kwa. Let's try there. Everly! Hi! Let's come here. Let's find guava. What is that?
When you catch and they curl up. Ready, Everly? 1, 2, 3. Look, watch it, watch it. See how it goes like that? This one's a bigger one. Oh. Cool.
We'll try to walk this way. It's good weather. Peekaboo! Let's go. Oh no! Look, show me again. The tongue is out.
He's hungry.
Think you're gonna bare feet. Lay
It's okay, we'll clean those later. It's okay. We're gonna get muddy. It's okay, keep going.
It's okay, we'll just wash that.
Mud is fine.
See, there's light.
Wow, pretty muddy. It's okay.
Uy, taga-tuhod man yung lapok baday. Very muddy.
It like drops down. I don't know if we're gonna get through that.
We'll go back. A few moments later. Going back to muddy. Wow! Souvenir. Now we are on the road.
Tired?
You're not sweating.
I really hasn't taken one step on this hike yet. she doesn't want to walk on this hike.
Are you taking a hike or relaxing?
Yeah, she's got the light down there. You got a good view? We just cleaned her shoes for her to walk and she still doesn't want to walk. Man, oh man.
Let's walk, come here. Race with Melanie. Wanna race?
Want to run? 1, 2, 3, go!
Beep beep!
Want to try this way? It might be muddy.
Let's try that there. It's nice view there. Dere, Daday. Dere, come here. Boom boom. Firefly.
I'll carry you for this one.
Okay.
Ready?
Uy, nai. Bangan.
least 6 inches.
Oh my! Uy, bantay day. This way.
You can try.
This way is not deep.
Okay, here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Go. 1, 2, 3. Jump. 1, 2, 3. Jump.
Oh, it's right there, Melanie. This way.
Over here.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, jump. 1, 2, 3, jump. Anybody getting sprinkles of dirt? 1, 2, 3, jump.
Wow! Mud shower. Dangog.
Go, 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 go. All right.
Yay! You can walk
Run, 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 run.
or run. Go chase Melanie. This
This
way.
is probably like the second or first best view.
Yeah,
The other
here.
one is pretty nice, but this one, once you get up top,
You
it's really
can
nice
see.
view too.
Yeah. This is where we always fly the drone with Daniel.
Let's go this way.
This way. Baby. Everly, follow daddy. To daddy. Lakaw daddy. Good.
Go.
Race! Go!
Hi.
Baba.
That's a big one.
Oh, nice. You can eat that. Mimi.
Is it
Thank
eatable or is
you.
it hard?
It's hard. She can hold it. I mean, it's okay to
When do
eat,
they-
but not for
when do they
her.
start to turn soft?
Soon. That one looks. Yeah, soon. But like we can eat, but like Everly cannot. Not yet. Really soft. Whoa! Whew! Whew! Yeah. Go.
Good job.
We tried to walk this morning because we heard the halt. And we came back because she's crying. She want Justin to walk with her too. She want two of us. Oops! Don't step on the pie.
That's cow dung. Let's go.
Let's go.
1, 2, 3, go. Can we hold this? 1, 2, 3. Whoa.
This one is like layer, like from not so good view to good view, and then nice.
I wish there was more spots like this. It's really rocky around this area.
Yeah.
So this is actually rare to have grass like this.
Melanie's for guava hunting.
This way, this way.
Where are you going? You going back? Where are you going? Back.
Make it to the top before it gets dark.
Let's go. Water. Thank you. My bare foot. At least Everly's shoes has light. We can see.
So if she gets lost, we know where she is.
$360. It's nice here. Sunset, during sunset. And sunrise. There's a guava here, Melanie. Ripe. But it's on the floor, on the ground. Hinog. This is going to your place, Melanie, now, old place. Shortcut. Nice. say nice.
Nice.
Say kapoy. Say kapoy.
No.
No. Ay. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Let's go back.
Ready to go till we pitch black.
Wow, windy. I like the wind.
Beverly shoes.
So it gets dark like 5, almost 6. Right now, like the winter season, it gets dark like around 5 or same, right? US, yeah, Michigan. There's a nice fire. Wee! Wee!
Let's run.
Ah.